Ferrari doesn't just build cars, they craft experiences. And with the 2026 Ferrari 488 Pista Spider, they've delivered the ultimate one, a razor-sharp track weapon, with nothing between you and the sky. In this video, we're taking you through every detail of this Italian masterpiece, from its wind-sculpted body to its F1 bred heart. So buckle up, because the Pista Spider doesn't whisper, it sings. The 2026 update to the 488 Pista Spider may not reinvent the silhouette, because why mess with perfection, but it refines every surface like a sculpture in motion. You've got an aggressive front splitter, sculpted side skirts, and a rear diffuser that means business. The new color option, Rosso Celeste, a deep red with a hint of pearlescent blue, turns heads even in a sea of exotics. And then there's the roof, or rather, the absence of one. The retractable hardtop folds down in just 14 seconds, letting the exhaust and atmosphere flood your senses. Inside, the Pista Spider is pure purpose. No gimmicks. No distractions. Just the essentials, wrapped in carbon fiber, Alcantara, and race-bred simplicity. The 2026 model introduces subtle upgrades, slimmer, more supportive bucket seats, an updated infotainment interface that's finally Apple CarPlay ready, and improved insulation for when the roof is up, not that you'll ever want to close it. The steering wheel still holds Ferrari's famous Manettino dial, giving you full control over the car's behavior, from civilized street driving to full-on track attack. At the heart of the 2026 488 Pista Spider is Ferrari's crown jewel, a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, still one of the most thrilling engines ever built. It produces 730 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds, and a top speed north of 211 miles per hour, and it'll do it all with the wind in your hair and a grin on your face. The updated gearbox features lightning-fast shifts, while revised suspension geometry delivers even sharper handling. The sound? Still mechanical. Still raw. Still very, very Ferrari. The 2026 Ferrari 488 Pista Spider isn't just a car, it's a celebration of sensation. A machine built to dominate the track, then drop the top and cruise into golden hour like royalty. It's art. It's engineering. It's emotion, and if you're lucky enough to hear it scream down a canyon road, you'll know, Ferrari hasn't lost its soul. If you love this deep dive into the Pista Spider, hit that like button, subscribe for more exotic reviews, and tell us below, would you take this over a hardtop track car? Until next time, keep it fast, keep it beautiful.